Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 15 on complex numbers. In this lecture we are going to discuss this question which was asked in GTU summer 2020 exam. So let's try to discuss this question. The question is about finding the roots of the equation z square plus 2iz plus 2 minus 4i equal to 0. So we know that this is quadratic equation in complex variable z, and the solution of quadratic equation is z square plus bz plus c equal to 0, where a is non-zero, is given by z equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So using this formula we can find out roots of this equation. So first we try to find out this coefficients of this equation a, b and c. So for that we compare given equation, comparing given equation with this standard form a z square plus bz plus c equal to 0. We have a equal to 1, which is coefficient of z square, b equal to coefficient of z, which is 2i, and c is constant term, so it is 2 minus 4i here. Now before applying the formula for roots of quadratic equation, we first find out this quantity b square minus 4ac. So b square means square of 2i minus 4, a equal to 1, c equal to 2 minus 4i. So we simplify this. Here we have square of 2i, which is 4i square, and we multiply this 4 with 2 minus 4i. 4 into 2 8, negative negative positive, 4 into 4 16i, and we know that I square is minus 1, so this becomes minus 4, and minus 8 plus 16i, so this is minus 12 plus 16i. So therefore b square minus 4ac is minus 12 plus 16i, and this we denote by w. So we require square root of this quantity. So for that we can compare with x plus iy also. So we obtain that x is minus 12, y is 16. These x and y are real and imaginary parts of this complex number w. Now y is positive, so in the formula of square root we will consider signature y equal to 1. Okay, we have discussed how to find out roots of complex number, square roots of complex number. So in that formula we require that this function sin y equal to 1 and minus 1. This sin y is 1 if y is non-negative, and it is minus 1 if y is less than 0. So here y is positive, therefore we consider sin y equal to 1, and we require absolute value of this complex number w also. So for that we consider absolute value of w is by definition square root of x square plus y square. So here x is minus 12 and y is 16, so we have 144 plus 256. So this is nothing but 400. If I add these two, 6 plus 4 0 and 5 plus 5 0, and I have square root of 400, and I consider only positive square root, so I obtain 20. 2 into 2 4, and so therefore absolute value of w is 20. So we will require absolute value of w, we will require value of x, and we will require this sin y, which is 1. So now we write the formula for square roots of complex number. So it is plus or minus square root of, here I have to write square root of complex number w. So this is this shortcut formula for finding square roots of complex number. Here we write mod w plus x divided by 2 plus sin y into I, and in this square root we consider mod w minus x divided by 2. So this is easy to remember. Here we have square root of mod w plus x by 2. Here we have mod w minus x by 2. And sin y is 1 if y is non-negative. Sin y is minus 1 if y is negative. Now we are having all these values. So we substitute all these values. Mod w is 20. X is minus 12 divided by 2. Sin y is 1. And here 20 minus 12, that is plus 12 divided by 2. So I am using these values. Mod w equal to 20, x is minus 12 and sin y is 1. So using all those values in this formula I obtain these values. Now I simplify all these things. So you can see 20 minus 12, that is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So we can write one more step. Here we have square root of 4. 20 minus 12 is 8 divided by 2. So we have 4 here plus I. Here we have 20 plus 12, that is 32 divided by 2, which is 16. And if we consider positive square roots, so we have square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 16 is 4. So we have plus or minus 2 plus 4i. So these are the square roots of w, and w is b square minus 4ac. So we obtain that square root of b square minus 4ac is plus or minus 2 plus 4i. That is, one value is 2 plus 4i, another value is negative of 2 plus 4i. Now we write down the formula for roots of given quadratic equation. So now the roots of given equation are, so we write down that formula: z equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. And we substitute all these values here. First we see what is value of small b. So b is 2i and a is 1. So b equal to 2i, a equal to 1, and we have obtained b square minus 4ac has square root plus or minus 2 plus 4i. So b is 2i, so here I write minus b, which is 2i. Square root of b square minus 4ac is plus or minus 2 plus 4i, and value of a is 1. So here we have 2 into 1. Now we consider, first we consider positive sign. So we have minus 2i plus 2 plus 4i divided by 2, and if we take negative sign, we have minus 2i minus 2 minus 4i divided by 2. So we can simplify this. This is 2 plus 4i minus 2i, that is 2i divided by 2, and here minus 2 and minus 2i minus 4i, which is minus 6i divided by 2. Here we can cancel out these two, so we have 1 plus I, and here also 2 can be cancelled out, so we have minus 1 minus 3i. So z equal to 1 plus I and minus 1 minus 3i are roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, so this is a very easy problem. You just have to remember this formula for finding square roots of given complex number. Okay, you must remember this formula, and you must remember the formula for solution of quadratic equation, which is z equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we are using this formula to find out roots of given equation, and to find out square root of b square minus 4ac, we are using this formula for shortcut formula for square roots of complex number. Okay, so this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thank you.